Welcome back to Bike Culture Hub. Today we're taking a deep dive into one of Harley-Davidson's most iconic and comfortable touring machines, the 2025 Harley-Davidson Tri Glide. This trike is designed for riders who want the stability of three wheels without sacrificing Harley's legendary power, comfort, and style. Let's kick off with some of the key features that set the 2025 Tri Glide apart. First up, the engine. At the heart of this beast is the Milwaukee-Eight 114 V-twin engine, with 114 cubic inches or around 1868 cc of displacement. This engine brings serious power, allowing you to tackle highways and long stretches with ease. The engine produces 123 pound-feet of torque, giving you that signature Harley-Davidson rumble and the instant response you'd expect. One standout feature of the Tri Glide is the advanced infotainment system. Harley-Davidson has equipped this model with the Boombox GTS infotainment system, which includes a colored touchscreen, navigation, and Bluetooth connectivity. It's not just a feature. It's a must-have for long-distance riders, providing seamless access to music, maps, and hands-free calls. And the system's responsive touch and intuitive layout make it a breeze to use, even with gloves on. Moving on to performance and handling, the 2025 Tri Glide features Harley's premium suspension system. In the front, you have a 45-degree angled valve laid out perfectly. In the front, you have a 45-degree angled valve fork, designed to smooth out rough roads and ensure a stable ride. In the rear, there's an adjustable air suspension letting you customize the ride's firmness based on the load or your comfort preference. And of course, with two rear wheels and a wide track, this trike offers an incredibly stable ride, even on winding roads. Now, let's talk about comfort. With a seat height of just 26 inches, the Tri Glide offers a low, relaxed riding position, making it accessible for riders of different heights. The plush two-up touring seat is designed for comfort on long trips, with a passenger backrest that offers solid support. Plus, there's generous storage. Between the trunk and the tour pack, you get over 4.5 cubic feet of space, perfect for carrying gear, luggage, or anything you need for the journey. Now let's talk about price. The 2025 Harley-Davidson Tri Glide starts at around $36,500, which reflects the premium engineering, advanced tech, and high-quality materials you're getting. Yes, it's a significant investment, but for riders who crave stability and comfort in a classic American style, this trike delivers on every front. So, is the 2025 Harley-Davidson Tri Glide the right ride for you? If you're looking for the ultimate touring experience with added stability, safety features, and that unmistakable Harley presence, this trike is worth every penny. For long-distance touring enthusiasts, it offers a blend of luxury and ruggedness that's hard to beat. Thanks for tuning in to Bike Culture Hub. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all things motorcycles. Ride safe, and we'll see you next time.